Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and I haven't recorded in like 5 million years, so I'm going to be recording again. So Animal Jam has updated, and it's a very amazing update. Like, this update is really cool. Like, I'm actually really excited about this update. So let's go on over to the good old news, the Jamaa Journal, and whoa there, lad, my shop already. The first thing, oh my goodness, my shop. Do you have items or pets? Gathering dust in your inventory. Are you looking for a good way to earn gems and diamonds? Yeah, I need gems and diamonds. I am pretty poor. There's an incredible new den item called My Shop. With My Shop, you can put any of your own items and pets up for sale for gems or even diamonds. I'm already down. Let's go. Come on, we gotta go. My good old, oh my gosh, I make a den, like a western den, all about it, like my western. So let's see, the colors here. What color do I want? I kind of like yellow. Yellow looks pretty nice. Yeah, I think I'll get yellow. Yeah, we'll get nice good old yellow. Bye! Oh my gosh, this is best thing ever. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. This beautiful den, I'm going to change the beautiful den to a different den. I'll put it in, let's put it in this den because nothing's in this den. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Come on, load. Oh my god, I'm excited. At first I didn't believe it when they showed it in the live stream. Oh my gosh. It's so good, oh my god. I can sell all this stuff. I can sell it all. Like, oh wait. I have the perfect idea. I'm going to get a necklace. Okay. You see, oh, I spelled it wrong, gosh darn it. Okay, yeah, a bunch of necklaces. And then, wait, can I go like that? Oh, I'm gonna go like this. This is the best update. We're gonna, you know what, I'm gonna be nice. I'm going to sell it for 2 diamonds. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Set it to, actually no, you know what, I'm gonna set it for gems because I'm so nice. I'm going to set it for about like, just a little bit more, you know what, good enough. No. Nothing happened. Nothing. Nothing happened at all. You know what I can just do? I'm gonna go get my spare account and I'm gonna pay myself. Hello, welcome to the shop. Oh my god, this should be good for a really good skit. You might see a skit in the future of this. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Well, I'm going to also put a few other items in here that will be on later. For now, let's keep reviewing the update. So far, I'm loving the update. This is gonna be my new favorite item. Okay, next thing, lynxes are back. That's cool. Actually, no, I want to be my little cowboy thing. Oh, the Friendship Fortress. The Friendship Fortress is now in the store and I can buy it. Like, set something up. Because I'm actually running out. I was planning on to get that membership bundle. But now it appears it's in stores. But you know what? Whatever. I'm still going to get the membership bundle because I like having my membership. Okay, back to the news. Friendship Fortress, amazing, beautiful. Let's see, how much is it for? I can, like, set something up so I can just get that amount quickly. Like, I don't even need to have... I'm excited. Oh, it's so cool. It's 7 diamonds. It's like all the others. Wow, it's so big and cool. Oh my god, I love it so much. I just love it. I love it too much, maybe. Okay, that's an amazing den. Wow. Okay, so, next part of the update. Part from the update. Pet love bugs. Pet love bugs. They're in the store. Is this a bad time? No, it's not that bad. Come on. I need that. I need it. Come on, load. I need it. I need it. Come on. Pet Love Bug. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. I need this in my life. So I'm gonna make it a love bug, because it's a love bug. How about we go a magenta love bug? Ooh, wow. Yeah, you know I like it. And then the heart eyes. Those ones are cute too. Oh, look at the little. It's so cute. The dizzy eyes. Aw. I like those ones. They're really cute. Oh my gosh. Why is it so cute? I really like that. It's fluffy, fuzzy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I like the original. I like that. And the wings are the hearts, and then like a circle with the hearts inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, I like those. I like the original, but just like change the colors and stuff. Pointy ferret. Nah, we gotta get that nice name. We need stop. It's ninja time. You know what? Sugar Ninja. Sugar Ninja is going to be your name. Boom. Boom. And we have Sugar Ninja. And adopted, personality silly, toys of teddy bear, favorite food, gummy bears. Huh. Beautiful. We're going to take it to the pet shop real quick. And we're going to see what kind of items it will wear. Whee! Pet shop. Going to click over here once it loads. I'm laggy. I'm gonna. There we go. Oh my god. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. There's a top hat and a cute little bow. Oh, it's so cute. And then on this side, we have this lock. Oh no. It has a cupid's bow, a guitar. Oh. I need it. I need it. Oh. Yay! My necklace was sold for 2,400. Oh my gosh, I'm going to see. I'm going to praise them. Oh, this is cute. Ah, hold on. I really like those. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do that. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Oh my gosh, I'm going to go praise the person who just bought my necklace. Oh my. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, look how much stuff is happening right now. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Buy it. Hallelujah. Okay, now I'm going to praise them. I'm gonna exit out. I'm gonna praise them. You have a Gemgram. Who's it by? Thanks for. You're welcome. You know what? I'm gonna keep that. I'm keeping that. Where are you? Where are you? Come on. Where are you? Which one? Was it you that bought it? Oh my god, it was. Oh my god. Thank you for purchasing my one-of-a-kind necklace. Thank you. And I'm going to make it a secret Valentine because that is actually part of the new update. So there we go. We just reviewed a part of the update. It's so good. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. I love it so much. Oh, ah! We've only been through these 3 pages, but we need more to go. Secret Valentines. We just did that. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love it. Friendship Cottage is back. I have that already, but cool. Friendship Festival item. That's cool. Power of Friendship. That's cool. And that's it. So, thank you guys for watching this update video. I think it's a 10 out of 10. I really like this shop. And the Pet Love Bug. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And the den is really cool. Secret Valentines are cool. I'm gonna send a Secret Valentine. I'm gonna close my eyes here. Plagabo. Plet. Hey. You are senpai. And there we go. that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you next one. Peace. I'm just gonna be normal. Peace.